We had some pretty humble beginnings, back in 1987, where we just thought, hey, we're going to do this roofing thing. And that's been really good for many years. But we ended up having so many customers who were like, man, I love the way you did my roof and took care of me. I wish you did. And we had those conversations over years. So what happened is we started adding some other facets. So many years ago, we added siding and windows and even bathrooms. We've been doing bathrooms now for about 6 or 7 years, and that's our newest facet. So we're now roofing and siding and windows and baths, and we do a lot of repair work as well on stucco. So we're one of those few companies in the city that can do a lot of different things without having to go find somebody, a subcontractor, say, hey, sorry, we don't do that. And so we've partnered not only with Owens Corning on roofing, but we partnered with James Hardy when it comes to our siding. That's a fiber cement concrete board product. We partnered with Marvin Infinity. That's a high quality fiberglass window. And then we partnered with Onyx as well. That is our bath supplier. So we've got a lot of different companies that we partnered with and have great relationships. And we've found that if we can leverage the type of company we are and find somebody who has a similar quality company, and their core values are around integrity and taking care of people and everything that we do, that usually ends up being a really really high quality partner. And what we've found is that our customers are showing the exact type of experience they've had. I can't do anything better than to send somebody, hey, go take a look at Google reviews. That's one place where you can't pay for the reviews. You can't go manipulate it. It is what it is. And we can't make everybody happy. And you'll see some people on there who are like, man, I wish this would have gone better. Yep, agreed. We're not perfect, but the difference is we're willing to stick it out to make it right. And to find a 4.7 stars out of 5 on over 650 reviews is almost unheard of. And so if I could point somebody anywhere to go and see what type of company we are and how we're going to take care of people, that's where I tell them to go.